Pete?
What are you two Nimrods doing here?
What are you doing here?
You know him?
We sure do. Pete's been causing trouble for ages.
However, everything in your journey, Sora, is connected. Whether you will find your way home to the islands, whether you will return alone or with your friend, and whether or not the islands will still be there. While heartless act on instinct, nobody is functioning in a higher manner. They can think and plan, and it seems they are working towards a goal. What that goal is, we do not know.
Oh my.
Oh, it's lovely.
Oh yes, he does look very dashing. Maleficent!
Howdy, Sora. How you doing?
It's your favorite gummy engineers here, ready for duty. Chip.
And Dale. Happy flying!
Only one?
That's no good.
Wait, I think it's a world we know.
Land in Hallow Bastion. Let's do it.
Maleficent! Maleficent! Maybe they really did finish her off. Ooh, this castle sure ain't what I expected. No shine, no nothing. Oh, now what's gonna happen to our plan?
It's Hallow Bastion.
Gorge, looks kind of different now.
I hope you and the kid are doing okay.
Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna have to do some fighting.
Welcome to Hallow Bastion. The marketplace, sweet. Let's take this up. Got an awakening puzzle piece. Not that I know where all of the puzzle pieces are, so that may be something that I'll have to figure out later on, but hello! You doing there? You just have an ability ring. That's boring. Hello! You have some defense stuff. Okay, cool. Hello! Oh, well. A staff used for strength, huh? Okay. And let's equip Donald and Goofy with those. Yeah, no, that's new. Okay. Items. Donald. Goofy. There we go. Talk to Moogles, they can synthesize items with various materials. Collect the materials used for item synthesis to create various items. Okay. Obtained elixir for completing the collection. Cool. Recipes. I don't have any recipes. Okay. Looks like I can't get that one right now. Bye. Potion, ether, and tent. I'm okay without those. I got 3 potions left, I think. Hello! Oh, it's Uncle Scrooge. Uncle Scrooge? Who? He's Donald's uncle, a business typhoon. Before the Heartless showed up, he traveled the worlds on a gummy ship with the king. He was helping to set up a traffic system. A transit system! What's all the racket? Why, if it isn't Donald! And Goofy! Hello, lads! You all look hale and hearty. So do you, Uncle Scrooge. If only I were. I cannot seem to recreate my favourite old-time ice cream. I'd make millions if I got it just right. Terrible! Leon and the others are in the burrow. They went to Merlin's house. Okay. Shop is actually a giant refrigerator. This ice cream looks like it. This ice makes it look. I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna keep moving. Words.
Oh,
Hey, what's going on?
That's the town's defense mechanism.
Hi, Yuffie.
Yuffie!
Look out!
Time to battle some nobodies, apparently. Ooh. Gotcha.
Hey, you guys! I see you're still in top form.
What'd you expect? Looks like you're doing okay.
Well, what did you expect?
How are the others?
Great!
Hey, Yuffie, have you seen the king and Riku?
Nope. But I had a feeling I'd see you guys again.
We may never meet again, but we'll never forget each other.
Is that supposed to be Leon? Everybody's working on stuff over at Merlin's house. Come on!
A map of the area. Very handy if you need maps. Which I do. Alright. Let's see. Hello. KP boost. This crane is being used to rebuild this town. Okay then. Hello! I do not have a dodge roll yet, do I? I like dodge roll. Oh well. There we go. Boom. Let's take a look here. Abilities, Sora, combo boost. There we go. Valor. Oh, this guy has high jump there. Okay. AP boost. I gotta find the right time and start using that Valor form, I guess. Mithril Shard, hooray! Okay. And there are some puzzle pieces. I want to see if I can get them. Get you. Awakening puzzle piece. Okay. Now, can I get you? Nope! That was a failure on all counts. That's fine. Let's grab this treasure chest for a high potion. Let's grab the treasure chest over here for a dark shard. Yeah, I don't think I can get that other puzzle piece right now. I don't know if I want to bother trying, to be honest. I'm already here. I might as well give it one more jump. Whoop! Oh, let's not fall off there, Sora. Nope. Okay then. Inside the house we go.
Meet the Hallow Bastion Restoration Committee.
We missed you.
Well, if you ain't in top shape.
I knew it.
Knew what?
A while back, everyone suddenly remembered you guys, all at the same time.
You remembered? Wait, does that mean you forgot about us?
Thanks.
So where have you guys been all this time?
We were sleeping.
Where? In cold storage?
It doesn't matter. This is great. Everyone's together again.
So, we're trying to find Riku and the king. Have you seen him? Right.
Sorry, but let us know if there's anything we can do to help, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Don't go thanking us just yet.
Hallow Bastion's got a problem. A big problem.
You mean like nobodies and heartless?
That's right.
Sounds like you could use our help.
Then let's cut to the chase. Sora, Donald, Goofy, we were hoping the three of you might give us a hand around here.
Like we're gonna say no?
I forgot who I'm dealing with.
Hey, what do you mean by that?
Just think of it as a sort of Leon compliment.
Follow me to the Bailey. There's something you need to see.
Oh, I thought it was you. Right on time.
Expired!
Sora and the gang said they're gonna help out.
Splendid. We'll count on you.
Right.
Right.
Ah, yes. Did you give them the cards, dear?
Oh. Here. They're presents for you. Leon thought you might like to have them.
Hallow Bastion Restoration Committee honorary member.
Membership cards.
Kinda cool, huh?
Hey, thanks, Leon. Huh? Oh no! We're supposed to be at the Bailey.
Or Leon's just impatient, one of the two. Come on, I mean, you know, that's totally practical. Just a moment, Sora. What about your magic? Huh? Ah, that's right. Maybe you forgot it while you were asleep. Now what am I to do with you? I suppose I'll have to lend you a few spells, but be careful with them. Thanks, Merlin. To the Bailey, and fast! Yes, thank you. I know we need to go to the Bailey. Blizzard! Sweet. Magic command has been added. Press L1 for shortcut. Okay. Yeah, Blizzard. Nice. Leon went to the Bailey. Don't make him wait too long, okay? Have you seen the town's defense devices? They're called claymores. They're not as powerful as you, but depending on how you use them, they can really help. Illustration of the town's power grid. Modified. Blackboard for strategy meetings. It seems your clothes are designed to gather energy when you use up your magic. In that case, don't hold back, since magic will recover with time. Strand of Merlin's long beard. Hey, I got it. This is a closet Merlin always miniaturizes. Machines used for magical research. If you go to the right from here and climb up the stairs, you'll arrive at the Bailey. There are heartless roaming about, so prepare yourselves at the marketplace. Journal on the worlds Merlin has visited, past and future. You just need to be a wizard to make the best of this normal bag. Yeah. It's a normal bag. Only a wizard can use it. What? Like weird random requirements for using items. A piece of cloth. You have to be a girl to use it. What? Why? Who knows? Time to go to CS. Going around. Bloop. Haha, the Bailey. Here we are. Hello, Leon.
Look at that.
Whoa! That's a
We want
lot
to
of
restore
heartless.
Hallow Bastion to what it used to be. Who knows? Maybe even something better. There's still a lot to do, but I'm sure we can handle everything. Except for that.
That's a lot of heartless.
And that.
We'll handle him.
Well, that's good to hear. So, Sora, do you know what's going on then?
There's this guy, Pete, who's been going around plotting with the Heartless. But he's not smart enough to tie his own shoes. The ones we need to worry about are the nobodies.
And those Organization 13 guys in charge, too.
You called?
You're doing well.
Who's that?
This calls for a celebration.
We gotta defend the gate with Leon while the nobodies attack. Let's do that. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Free!
That was close. I need to get a lot better at this. I don't know how to do that dual stance.
A truly marvelous weapon. Were it only in more capable hands.
Show yourselves!
Organization 13!
Good, now we can settle this.
What a shame. And here I thought we could be friends.
Stop! What's the big idea?
Oopsie daisy.
Move!
Now, do you think that's polite? Shutting me down like that?
I said get out of the way!
As if. You can talk all you want, but that won't change a thing.
Then we are gonna make you move.
See, that would work if I were just any old dude. Except I'm not. I'm with the organization. Nothing any old about me.
Huh, tough talk for someone who stood on the sidelines while his nobody flunkies did the fighting.
Oh dear. I think you got the wrong impression.
You gonna cry?
As if. Why don't I remind you how tough the crowd you're dealing with really is?
Remind me?
That's right! You used to give me that same exact look.
I guess you think you can psych me out by saying really random stuff.
Gee, I just don't know. Be a good boy now.
Wait! Yes, he got away.
That was weird. Who gave him the same look?
You know, I think he was just trying to confuse you.
Yeah, you're right. Only one me. The Hallow Bastion Restoration Committee honorary member.
Wow!
Huh?
What's this?
Gorge, you think?
Oh, now I get it. That must have been the gate Yen Sid talked about.
Oh boy!
Sorry to run, Leon. But other worlds are calling.
Organization 13. They look tough. Be careful out there.
See you soon.
Do my eyes deceive me? Does he really have the power to wield the Keyblade? He's nothing but a boy.
Give him a chance. It means he's straight as an arrow. He's pure of heart, unlike all of us here.
He had better be, or else he's worthless. I truly hope he's enjoying himself on his adventure. Maybe he'd like a hand to determine his fate.
Hey, as long as it works in our favor, we can let him do what he wants for now. Then we'll all jump in if needed.
Those are bold words coming from you. Are you saying you'll volunteer to take care of it if things go wrong? Huh?
What? Me? No, you have the wrong guy. I'm not comfortable with that.
You act as though you have a conscience. When was the last time any one of us felt anything?
Truer words were never spoken. Well, I suppose the fun will have to wait.
Do you know what happens to those who lose their true purpose? Inevitably, they destroy themselves.
Gentlemen, the hero of the Keyblade has embarked on a new adventure. Make sure it is one he will remember. Now go.